Okay, so we are off to the next sharpening method, and it's called LAB sharpening. Now, I still have my file open from earlier with that other layer of sharpening, so what I need to do is delete that. So I'm just going to take that and drag it down to the trash can. I don't want to sharpen a sharpened file. I don't want to add sharpening on top of sharpening on top of sharpening. So got rid of that. We're going to do a Command J to duplicate the layer again, and we'll title this one LAB sharp. So we know that that's the lab sharpening layer. Okay, so for this, we need to go up to the menu. We're going to go to Image, we're going to go to Mode, and we're going to take it from RGB to LAB color. When we do that, we're not going to lose any color shifts or anything else. It's a great little technique here. It's asking us if we want to flatten the layers. Well, we don't want to flatten because we still want that other layer, so we'll say don't flatten. Now that I'm in here, I need to go back over to my layers panel, and I'm going to click on channels, which hangs out right next to layers. If you don't have this available to you, remember you can always access any of the panels up here from the menu by going to Windows. So let's click on channels. Okay, you'll see we have an LAB, that's the composite. We have a lightness, an A, and a B channel. When we're in here, we want to click the lightness channel and select that. Notice the color goes away. Now we're going to go to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask, and hey, remember it held those settings from earlier? I can upsize this so I can actually see something a little bit better. Yeah, you know what? This is gonna work across the board. We'll just hit OK. Then I'm gonna come back here, click on the LAB. I'm gonna go back to Image. I'm gonna go back to Mode. I'm gonna take it back to RGB color. I'm going to say don't flatten once again. Click back on my layers. If I click on and off on the eyeball, you can see the sharpening. Now, the reason we're doing this method is we're only sharpening the black and white information, not the color information. So you're not going to get the color shifts. So if you notice that you're having funky color issues, try this method. Remember to do a save as, Shift Command S, and it's not called Unsharp anymore. This one is called LAB. And we're going to save it into our sharpening folder. Hit save.